It's looking pretty rad. Damn.
I just want to go.
Yeah, let's just do this.
Here we go. Release it.
You all right?
Ooh.
You all right? You all right? You all right?
Yeah, I can breathe. Holy. You okay?
Got it, are you okay?
That was good. I like it. But let's not do that again.
I help you across the street. Now we go.
Hi, my name's Holly, and I run Happy Hands Daycare. The coronavirus shut down our daycare center. People just didn't feel safe sending their kids. We were about
Oh my god, was I muted this whole
We
time?
had an idea. We realized that there's probably
Holy
so many
fuck.
people stuck inside with family members